Welcome to Unit 5, Lesson 14, Solving Exponential Equations. Let's solve equations using logarithms. Okay, so now let's learn how to solve these. So 5 equals e, 3 to the a. So we divide by 5 on both sides. So you divide by, I'm sorry if you keep forgetting to do that. You divide by 5 in the first step. 90 divided by 5 is 18. Now, to bring down the exponent, this is why we take log. When something is written exponentially, the opposite of exponential is the log. And log base e is called the natural log, or ln. Okay? So the ln button is next to the 4, it's to the left of the 4 button on your calculator. So this should say ln 18. So on the calculator, you would do this. You would do a equals ln 18 divided by 3. Log base e is called the natural log. Okay, I took the time to fill out this chart, and I probably should have did it out as I went along. So just like we did a couple lessons ago when we wrote exponentials into logarithmic form, remember, ln is log base e. That's all ln is, just log base e. It's called the natural log because e is a number that occurs in nature. So for a, remember, switch the exponent and the answer around. So to go from e, to bring the exponent down, you take the natural log when it's base e. When there's another base, you just take the log. So ln, the natural log of 1 equals 0. E to the 1 equals e. The natural log of e, because this is the base, e, log base e is called ln, and the e and the 1 switch around. E to the negative 1 equals 1 over e for c. ln 1 over e equals negative 1. You can see that the answer and the exponent switch around. Now, d is kind of tricky because we forget ln, the base is e. So that's where the e comes from on the left side. The negative 2 and the 1 over e squared switch. It was just the e has to be pulled from ln. And then e is kind of self-explanatory. Just swap the 10 and the x. Okay, to bring the exponent down, you had to take the ln. ln is log base e. So it's a ln 20 equals m, which equals, you just hit ln, which is next to the 4. ln 20 equals 2.99573, which is 57. We're going to round to 4 decimals. ln 30 equals n, which is 3.40119, which changes to 2. And finally, ln 7.5 equals p, which equals 2.01490. So that's 149. And these are the answers. Okay, without using the calculator, solve each equation. So log base 10, log base 10 of 10,000 equals x. And what does x equal? All you got to do is count the zeros. So x equals 4. Now we're going to divide by 5 on both sides first because 5 is multiplying to the 10. So get rid of that. 10 to the x equals 100. Log base 10 of 100 equals x, which equals 2. Just count the number of zeros. Now for this one, log base 10, 10,000 equals x plus 3. There are 4 zeros here. So this is 4 equals x plus 3. Subtract 3, subtract 3. X equals 1. Okay, looking at some more. So what I'm going to do with this one is I'm just going to write log instead of writing log base 10, because log without the 10 means log base 10. 10,000 equals 2x. We know that 10,000 is 4 equals 2x. Divide by 2, x equals 2. Log 315 equals x, which equals, log is next to the 7, 315 gives us 2.4983183. Divide by 2, divide by 2. 10 to the x equals 400. We cannot count the zeros in this because it does not start with a 1. So now we got to do log 400 equals x, which equals 2.600205, which makes it 1. 2.6021. And for the last one, well, there are more on the other page. So 4,000 equals 1. Is that 1.2? That's 1.2. All right, so we're going to divide by 1.2. So make sure when you do this in the calculator, you hit log 4,000 first, or hit alpha x, and then you can put your numbers in, and the calculator will do the right steps. And you should get x is equal to 3.00171 with stage 7. Same thing, divide by 7 on both sides. 10 to the 0.5x equals 10. Take the log. 10 equals 0.5x. Log of 10 is 1 equals 0.5x. Divide by 0.5. X equals 2. Okay, for 9, divide by 2 first. E to the x equals 8. Natural log brings the x down. And x equals the natural log of 8. And finally, first things first, we got to divide by 10. E to the 3x equals 25. Take the natural log because this is e. Divide by 3. So the natural log of 25 divided by 3 equals x. And this is perfectly an acceptable answer because that is the most accurate and brief way to write it.